My mom broke her toe, and I'm at Five Below, and I did not mean for that to run. I was thinking about Five Below last night. I couldn't stop thinking about it. There's some new viral drops. I gotta go in here and see if I can find it. My mom texted me, I guess she broke her toe last night, and this morning she texted me and asked me if I could drop her off at the doctor. So I went, I grabbed her, and so while she's there getting her poor toe sorted out, she said she hit the chair and it looks broken. I think it's probably broken, but anyway, she's at the doctor getting seen, and I'm gonna go into this Five Below. There's supposed to be some new strawberry shortcake drops. There's supposed to be some new keyboards, ones that have like star like caps, and then I think one has like heart caps, I think, but I really just want to find the star cap keyboard. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be so gutted if I don't find these things, so let's go in and hunt for these viral finds.
Oh my god.
Oh my god, I can't believe I found everything I was looking for. I'm starving. I've never had Chick-fil-A breakfast, so let me go grab that real quick and then we'll pull into a parking spot and I'm gonna show you guys what I got. Dang, I really wanted Chick-fil-A, but I missed it by 8 minutes. Could I do just a Sprite? Let me see your foot.
He won't know.
Nice, look at that. Locked in with the sockets, not with that. Okay, so I got lucky. I got everything I was looking for. Unfortunately, I spent, I don't even know. I spent a total of $88. So there's that. I think I went a little too crazy, but I'm not even gonna wait to the end. I even told my mom as I was picking her up for her little broken foot, I was like, oh, I gotta get to Five Below because I heard about these keyboards and I thought I only wanted the star.
Oh, I love it.
Right?
Mm-hmm.
They're going viral right now. So the caps are stars. And I didn't think I was gonna get the hearts, but I got the hearts. And they look like little conversation hearts.
That's what I was gonna say, for Valentine's.
Right. It's cute, right? Anyways, my mom was so awkward. So yeah, $10 for these. But look how cute. I bet the hearts are, I don't know. Vote in the comments. Are you stars or are you hearts? Because
They're both super cute.
yeah.
The stars.
Yeah, I really like the stars a lot. I was not expecting Five Below to drop that. And then I knew about this one, so this was another thing that I was looking for. It's the strawberry shortcake, like tiny pieces. Like
teeny tiny.
This is a little oven, which is so cute and has like, I think there's like strawberry pizza in here too, like right there. Which is so freaking cute. Why does that look like a murder scene? What the? That's a strawberry flan. Okay, so that was that bag. So $20 of the 88 were the keyboards. And I think they were the only thing that was like over the $5. There's a lot in this bag. This was another thing that I was searching for. I saw it on TikTok, and these are like magnetic creation.
Little things.
Yeah.
You gotta open them and I'll let you know.
I mean, the tin container itself is really cute, and I could put, I guess this is where all the figurines go. So this is like where you play, which honestly, this is genius, because you could, for the kids, pack that in their backpack for the airplane, and then they could like play with it, and it all keeps it.
So we don't hear, are we there yet?
Yeah, so you keep it contained. Do kids really say that? I don't know if I remember Micah saying that.
Are we there yet?
Yeah.
Some do.
But anyways, they're just like little magnetic, and you have to like pop them out. So you can pause on the screen. Yeah, so cute. And I love how Orange Blossom and Strawberry are in the cover, because that's like me and Micah. I also picked up these flashcards. I've never seen these before at Five Below, and I really like the look of them. I think they're just blue from the look on the back. I don't think there's like, yeah, that's awesome. I love when they're super plain like this. Honestly, this is actually a little hard to find when they're just plain and there's nothing else. Like, there's not a border, or these look actually more vintage than most flashcards I find. Who's that? Why do you have your paperwork in your lap?
Come read.
About your contusion?
Foot contusion.
Okay, and then I picked up more of these little strawberry shortcake stickers. Way too expensive, honestly, but it's okay. They're really cute. They have a nice little hologram effect. Love it. Then I did pick up some candy. I picked up a blue raspberry Laffy Taffy, and then I picked up some Now and Laters, which honestly I surprised myself on this one. I think it's because I watch these like vintage candy shops package orders on TikTok, and they pack like little Now and Laters like this, and I was like, okay, you know what, why not? So I got apple and I got strawberry. They also have other flavors at Five Below, but these are the only two I got. And then the other thing of candy, I got a box of Runts. I've never seen this candy at Dollar Tree, I don't think. But comment, let me know if you see them. I love how they show like the little fruits, like even the banana is so cute, and the candy is actually shaped like that. I did get it for junk journaling, but I'm gonna eat the candy too, so don't worry about that. Okay, then I picked up this. I'm so excited about it. A little best friend bracelet set. It says Berry Besties. So I'm gonna see if Micah wants to wear it with me. But Micah would be Orange Blossom because that's her favorite, and my favorite is obviously Strawberry Shortcake.
Those are super cute. Everybody's wearing those.
They are so cute. Like, they're already made. All the beads are done. Like, and we could just like wear like this one. Like, we don't have to wear like that one if we don't want to, but I don't know. Maybe she'll want to.
How much was that?
Like $5, I think. Then I found a really cute face mask. I had to. Oh, I watched a TikTok and it had Ambular and it had Cher and it had two other women.
Dion? Not Dion?
No, Dion wasn't in it. It was Ambular, well, you know,
Yeah.
Alicia. I can't believe all those years we were calling her Alicia Silverstone. Her name is Alicia. No, she was always Alicia. And is my car trying to parallel park itself? I didn't know it could do that. I'm parked though.
Wow.
Anyways, in the TikTok, so it was Ambular, Cher. Who was the guy with the skateboard? Him. I forget what his name is in the movie. But anyways, the TikTok was about what did they keep from the movie.
Oh yeah, what did she keep?
And Ambular, she said that she actually didn't keep anything, but if she would have kept her army outfit that she had in the movie, which was so cute actually. That army outfit did not get enough screen time. The guy kept his skateboard, and apparently Alicia kept a bunch of stuff, but she can't find any of it. Yeah. I'm like,
I wonder if she kept that suit, because
I don't know. I know that her Monet, or like, not her Monet, her Alaya dress, that red one, the director or producer kept, apparently. Anyway, so I don't know if there's other like Clueless masks, because I will want to collect these and then I'll use the mask and then I will junk journal with the cover. So if you know if there's like other outfits in this collection, let me know.
That's super cute.
Yeah. Okay, then I did pick up the strawberry shortcake flavored lip balm. Honestly, I don't know why. I really just did it for packaging because I don't need this. But I don't know how to like see strawberry shortcake and not grab it. I also got her little keychain, but I've actually been wanting a strawberry shortcake keychain that I can add to my little tote. I'm gonna be like packing my tote with my members, so if you want to be in the membership program, I'm gonna link it down below, and I want to add this to my little tote bag. So I thought that was cute. Then they came out with new hair clips. Well, I don't know, I've never seen these before, but the Care Bears. I have this in strawberry shortcake.
Oh, those are adorable.
I have strawberry shortcake and orange blossom, but I just saw the Care Bears and their hair clips. That's actually how I'm wearing my hair today. I really like it. So Cheer Bear, is that what his name is? I'll forget what their names are if I'm being honest. I need to. And then I picked up some novelty pens because I am in my novelty pen era. Like I'm so in love with collecting like the cutest little pens. Do you remember when I was little and I like used to beg you to take me to that one massive store that had like rows and rows? It looked like a Home Depot. Where like there were like, you know, at Home Depot you go to the nail aisle and but like all the nails are exposed and they're open in these boxes. It was like that, but it was like erasers.
Yeah,
I think it was it Oriental Trading? Did we actually used to have a store in Dallas, or was it another store like it? I feel like it was Oriental Trading. But I've never heard that they have any like actual physical stores.
Have to Google it.
Anyways, if anyone knows or you were in Dallas in the 90s, let me know if you know what I'm talking about. But this stuff reminds me of that store because like, oh my, just rows and rows and rows of stuff like this, of pens and funky things and funky erasers. Like, it was to die for. Here's another pen that I picked up. This was another thing that I saw on the girl that I was watching that did her TikTok haul of the new Five Below drops. They are strawberry scented. The inks are. That's so cute. Do you remember these? Medium point, press down to change colors, retractable.
I love those.
Yeah. Oh, I forgot to show that on here is strawberry shortcake, blueberry muffin, and lemon meringue. I wish
Are they scented?
They had. This is blue ink. These are not scented. That would have been genius if these were. I wish they had orange blossom just because I would have given that one to Micah. Okay, and then the very last things, they just dropped new hand sanitizers, and I'm so excited for one of them in particular. I say this and I literally, all I do is talk about how I'm a soap and water kind of girl. I can't help it. When I see other people love something, it makes me like love it too.
Well, was that wrong?
No. What? Yes, I'm recording. Let me show you what I got. I'm like losing my mind. So these are new, and they're supposed to be a dupe to Touchland. I think these are $3, which honestly is surprising to me. I would have thought they would have marked these up to $5. But this is the Vanilla Dream. Vanilla Dream? Cute, right? This one is Fresh Linen. Love the blue packaging. This one's gonna be cute if you're doing like a 4th of July basket and you're doing like the color theme. This would be a cute pickup for that. And then this one is called Pink Sugar. Now wait a damn minute. This one spilled everywhere. Oh.
No, now you're gonna go get your money back.
Yeah, I'm gonna go switch it out. I'm gonna go switch it out. And this one is the one. It's called Strawberry Fizz. Of course, like strawberry shortcake. So I really like it. I'm showing everybody. You, her. Cute, right?
They're super cute.
But that's it. That is my $88 haul. I really was.
And
Yeah.
it comes in packaging, unlike Dollar Tree,
I know.
where they hoard them behind the cash register. Because that's where I found them that time.
No, there's. I think employees are taking them. I've seen a lot of like people exposing that.
They end up on eBay.
Yeah.
And
I hate to say it, but it's just true.
It's very true.
Yeah. And so you can't. I certainly can't find them. I mean, but that's not to say that every location is doing that.
No.
But I've definitely been seeing I actually shared a TikTok on my Instagram like a year ago where a lady filmed herself walking in to Dollar Tree, and the manager was like, "Oh, you can only take 2." No, that is not how Dollar Tree works.
No.
Like, but also on the flip side, that's what's happening. People are going in and they're buying the whole like package.
Yeah, because then it ends up on Poshmark, eBay.
Yeah.
I've seen it myself. I'm like, so how can you have a whole entire box with the box itself?
Yeah.
That tells me it's somebody from inside
the company. I watched a lady who showed like her, like, you know when people do couponing and they keep everything in their garage and they have like everything on those shelves?
Oh yeah.
She had stacks and stacks and stacks of the Dollar Tree hand sanitizers, and I went into the comment section and somebody goes, "So this is why I'm not finding them."
Exactly.
And the creator, who that was all her stuff in her garage, she was like, "Sorry about your luck." But like, what can you do? Like, it is a free country. It's on one side it's frustrating, but on the other side, like, well,
that's the
okay, actually I need to do my
you need to get another one.
I know. I'm gonna go
pretty.
I gotta take my thumbnail. What should be in my thumbnail?
That and hand sanitizers. The hand sanitizers? Brought in a size 5. My toes were hanging over. I go, really? I can't believe you got the. I got him.